Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10-inch DVD player in a 2018 Lexus RX350 F Sport. As you can see, that's how the DVDs look like. These are the front loader ones. They can share same movie or they can play individually. This is the side with SD card, USB and HDMI input. Now I'm gonna share the same movie. So both screens, they're playing the same movie now. Or they can play individually. If you're interested to get these type of DVD players, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.